Hi guys, today we'll show you how to unlock the door and start the vehicle in case if your smart key battery has died. As you can see right now the car is locked, and if we press the buttons nothing happens, the battery is dead. So to unlock the car, first of all you have to remove the mechanical key from the smart key. For that you have to press the small button, and this will allow you to remove the cover. And right here you can see the mechanical key. Now to unlock the front door, first you have to pull the handle, and here you can see the lock. Insert the key. Now turn the key clockwise 45 degrees and then remove the key. Now the door is unlocked. Now, because the battery is dead, you won't be able to start the car. Let's try it. As you can see, the car gives us the warning, vehicle key not found. But there is a way to start it. Let's see how. You have to open the storage compartment where you find the designated place for the smart key. So if you put your smart key right here, it will send the signal to the vehicle saying that basically the smart key is inside. And now you should be able to start the car. And the car starts. Again, the smart key is right here. It is only required to put it while you start the vehicle. After that you can take it out from this location and drive away. When you lock the car, the idea will be the same. Close the door, insert the key. Now turn the key 45 degrees counterclockwise, remove the key, and now the vehicle is locked.